In this video, I am going to show you how to download HiTV on your laptop. Downloading HiTV on your laptop is a simple process that can enhance your viewing experience. So here are the steps to consider. Number 1. Download BlueStacks. Go to the official BlueStacks website and click download. Install the software by following the instructions. Make a good research related to this website, BlueStacks. Number 2. Set up BlueStacks. After installation, sign in with your Google account. This step is necessary for accessing the Google Play Store. Number 3. Get the HiTV APK. Search for HiTV APK download using the BlueStacks browser. Download the APK file from a trusted authority. Number 4. Install HiTV on BlueStacks. Locate the downloaded HiTV APK file on your PC and drag it onto the BlueStacks interface. Number 5. Start using HiTV. Once installed, find the HiTV app in the App Store or the home screen of BlueStacks. Establish the app and start watching your favorite dramas and movies. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.